Crochet styles don't dry your hair out, your routine does.
So now we're just going to separate my hair from the crochet. So because my hair and the crochet hair already has mousse, gel, edge control, all of that on it, your best friend here is just going to simply be water. The good thing about this is that I still have access to my hair. All I have to do is just separate. Now, we're not trying to drench the roots. We are simply just lightly misting your roots with water, okay? And this water feels so good on my scalp, and then to seal in that moisture, you are going to just apply a lightweight oil. I wish I had some jojoba oil, but I don't. This is the only oil that I have on hand. Okay, so I'm gonna get just a small amount of this, put it in my hands, get it on my fingertips, and just lightly go through my hair. So just keep in mind that water alone evaporates quickly. So in order to seal that water in, seal that moisture in, that is why I went over top with an oil. Please avoid heavy products because you do not want to have a lot of buildup underneath the crochet. And you do not have to do this every single day. Probably once a week is fine. So my routine is I will wash my hair every 2 weeks. So now that we are done with the roots, now I'm just going to spritz the rest of my hair with some water. And like I said, it already has dried up gel on it. So we're just gonna reactivate that gel. So rub the product through, or rub the water through. Like I can start to feel the gel once I spray that water in my hair. Nothing but water. Nothing but water. That's all you need. And also keep in mind, this is something you want to do in the beginning of the day. Because one, your hair, the braids underneath are still wet, and you do not want to go to bed with wet hair. Whew. Okay, so yeah, the same thing with my natural hair as well. We are only going to just spritz it with water to reactivate that gel. Yeah, and I don't want to do too much to the leave out. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same half up, half down because I don't know. I'm feeling it half up, half down. I could just do, you know, the little swoop, the flip over. I don't know. I just like the half up, half down. It just feels like it's going under my scalp. It just looks more natural to me. I don't know. I just like the half up, half down. So we're gonna do that again, okay? The half up, half down is literally so simple. You pull all of this leave out back and start to pull the crochet hair back. Just trying to see. How much hair I want to add. Brush. I'm just going to brush my hair up. Notice how I'm not really brushing all the way back because my braids are right there. We're just trying to focus on the edge part. Okay, once that's brushed back, you each ponytail. Take that ponytail out. Smooth the hair. And then next, this is not edge control. It's braiding gel, but I'm going to take this for my edges. And as you can see, this is my natural hair right here. This little piece right here. I'm gonna split this and tuck this underneath. So tuck it behind, just like that. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end and seeing these marvelous results. I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope you guys don't stress about literally maintaining crochet hair. It's so simple, it's so easy, so quick, and you can still have access to your natural hair, the braids underneath, to also take care of your hair as well. So I'm probably going to keep this in for forever. Just kidding. Probably going to keep this in for honestly a while, probably like 2 months. Like, I'm still gonna keep taking out, reinstalling, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm probably gonna just keep reinstalling this crochet hair because it's so beautiful, so natural, and so easy to install. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to give God the glory, because we would not be where we are today without him. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.